Hello, today we're gonna do a air filter for rooms from the cheap parts. Here is filter from AliExpress. I just bought it, it is standard and cost not too much. This is a lid printed by 3D printer and it is nice cooler like fan from Noctua and this low noise fan. That's why I selected it. Okay, so and the rubber support to eliminate vibration. This standard, so you can buy it everywhere. Here, first thing which I need to do is to create connector, this special connector, because I just found this. You could find it everywhere. It's a standard adapter like 12 volts and some connector. I just bought a connector which will match it. I just tried several and selected from the local electronic shop that it's match. And now we have power supply. It is 1.5 amps. You could choose another from 0.5, etc. up to 2 amps as you want. It is not take too much energy. It is only 1.08 watts. This Noctua. So let's start. Here I have local filter. Turn it on. For soldering. Here we need to put away wires and we need to use, we see it is different color and the colors which are dedicated to power supply is black, which is ground, and red, which is plus power supply. Now we're going go to push them away. I just will use screwdriver and push away one by one. So it is not such easy sometimes, but you need to squeeze them a bit and then it will be possible to move away like this. And next I will cut them down. Damaged it, but don't worry, I will throw it away anyways. So here the yellow one no needed anymore. So I will cut it away. Next, the red one, it is plus. I will get it up correctly to keep the lamp, and black also. So now I will prepare wires for soldering. Cut away isolation. That's done. And now I will solder T atom. So we have solder iron here. Great. So we'll add some flux. Which is here. And I'm gonna solder it. Okay, now soldering it. Okay. The second one is here. Okay. Next, we will solder connector. But before we will do it, um, I will add some little tube, thermal shrinking tube for the central wire to protect it against the shortage. So like this. Let's start from adding Loy, soldering Loy into the center in contact. Now I'm going to solder connector. It's a fun. So this the central fuse should be protected. So I will use some thermal tube. With this one small, I will try small. Better to try small first. Let's wait to heat it properly. Now let's heat it. Now let's solder it. Let's try this firmly. Let's wait a bit. This should be not too hot because otherwise thermal tube will start shrink before we will put it on it. So now let's try to put. Yes. Now it is possible. So it's protecting. So we will heat it a bit. Okay. Now I'm going to solder this black. Black is the ground. And here you may add additional protection if you want. In my case, it will be a piece of rubber. It could be thermal shrink, different diameter. So I will put it like in between, connect between contacts after soldering. Maybe I will add new alloy. And put it over. So let's solder it better. On the surface, we'll add some flux here. Oh, okay. Add some flux, solder it. Okay, let's check. It's somehow okay. And here we'll put piece of rubber here in between. It could be anything or nothing like you want. Better to have some protection. And I need pincer. Some pincer here. There we go. Here we go. Alright, I have put it this rubber. I don't like this rubber much, but at least something. And you see this here. Now a little bit bend this metal part. This. And put here connector. Okay. So now we have cooler with connector soldered on it. Let's try our power supply. This just cheap power supply. It could be better, of course. So let's try connector if it is soldered properly. It is. Fan is working. Let's put all together so we don't need solder anymore. I will switch it off and just will put away cable. So I will put away for a while. We have rubber here. Could be rubber or whatever. Could be silicone. Whatever you want. Here is the lid. Okay. Here is the filter. And now I'm going to put lid on the filter. And we'll put the fan. So here lid. To make it airtight, let's say here, or some level, let's say, of airtightness. Let's add again this rubber. It could be something else, some insulation. I will put it like this. It is bended, but if it will be full circle, it will vulcanize and it will stay here. Okay, so now it is prepared this way. It's maybe not very great done, but it should work. Now everything prepared to put lid. I will try. No, it's quite firmly. It's firmly. It will go. Now, before I will put it firmly, or quite, yeah, I will screw on this ventilator. So I prepared some screws here. This. So let's fix it. Oh. Diagonally. Sorry, I forgot this rubber. Forgot anti-vibration rubber. So let's do it again. So here, so that it will be visible. Okay. I will switch on this filter because it is too noisy. Now we will assemble everything. Okay. Let's use screwdriver. So this is not proper. Should be. I think it is here. Yeah. And to next. So let's penetrate it. Okay. Here, next one. So it looks like this. And now, because of rubber here, it will be firmly put it on the top. Like this. Let's apply some force. Yes, it is on it. So our filter is ready. You see, it's done. Now let's check how our filter, which we have soldered, assembled, is performing. Let's check if it is working properly. Everything is working. This PM 2.5 sensor here. You see the valves, different boom valves. This is about 27 microgram per cubic meter, PM 2.5, PM 10, 31. This air master, this tool, and let's check if filter working. You will see if it will drop or not. Here I will tip. It is medium. The valves calculating for during some time, and then need to wait a bit. You see it is already dropped, and will drop more. So it's something filtering. Let's wait a bit. I will put it like this accurately. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, sorry, sensor is here. So if to measure what is doing the filter, it should be put at least like this one probably, because otherwise it's measuring outside air which have some rotation around. So see it drops quite a lot because air not going like this circle, but this sensor now is here and the flows now goes this way, so this will be more accurate measurements. Actually it's quite good will be, because even in this position it is not measuring the air which going directly from the filter, so filtrated. Here maybe will be more accurate measurement. So the flow go directly from the filter, and you see it is quite low values, close to zero. Only one. This is now zero. You could see here.